NASA adjusts moon landing timeline. A more realistic approach NASA is recalibrating its Artemis program, shifting the timeline for a crewed lunar landing from Artemis 3 to Artemis 4. This adjustment reflects a more pragmatic approach to returning humans to the moon, acknowledging technical hurdles and prioritizing long-term sustainability over rigid deadlines. The agency's revised strategy emphasizes robotic precursor missions and increased collaboration with private space companies to reduce risk and accelerate progress. Artemis 2. On track for historic flyby, the immediate focus remains on Artemis 2, scheduled for an April 1 launch. This mission will send astronauts on a trajectory around the far side of the moon, farther than any human has traveled before. The crew, Reed Wiseman, Victor Glover, Christina Koch, and Jeremy Hansen, will conduct visual observations, documenting surface features with handheld cameras and detailed descriptions. Why this matters? Human perception offers unique insights that robotic sensors can't replicate, providing critical contextual data for lunar science. NASA has prepared the crew with Apollo-era field geology techniques and a specialized lunar fundamentals course to ensure accurate and meaningful observations. A shift in priorities. From 2028 to 2029, the original plan for a 2028 landing has been pushed back, primarily due to delays with SpaceX's Starship rocket. The new target is Artemis 4, now positioned as the first crewed landing since the Apollo era. This decision acknowledges the challenges of Starship's development, including propellant transfer and orbital refueling requirements. The context: the lunar South Pole remains the ultimate destination due to its suspected water ice deposits. However, the terrain is far more treacherous than the Apollo landing sites, necessitating a more cautious approach. Embracing flexibility. Robotic precursors and industry collaboration, NASA is opening up performance specifications for early Artemis missions, allowing greater flexibility in spacecraft orbits and mission design. This change aims to accelerate progress by giving industry partners more freedom to propose efficient solutions. The agency also plans a steady cadence of robotic landings near the South Pole, potentially monthly, starting as early as 2027. The goal is to gather critical data on temperature, soil properties, and communications challenges, reducing risk for future human crews. We're not just going to plop down a magical bubble dome. We know that's not credible. Amit Kshatriya, NASA Associate Administrator, A Race Against Time. The US versus China, the revised timeline, is also driven by geopolitical factors. NASA wants to land astronauts on the moon before China and before the end of the current US presidential term in January 2029. This requires a sea change in how NASA works with industry, demanding closer collaboration to overcome technical obstacles. The bottom line: NASA's shift reflects a more realistic and sustainable path to lunar exploration. By prioritizing robotic precursors, embracing industry flexibility, and acknowledging technical challenges, the agency aims to ensure a credible and lasting human presence on the moon.